this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. As you could tell that I used a twiggy wreath and I cut it twice. I am finally done using this collection from Close to My Heart. It is part of my stash. This was one of the last layouts that I did in the month of July, or in the month of June, for the spending freeze that I used from Sarah Scraps. She did like a spending freeze type thing, and I just want to give you guys a full disclaimer. The video today, with it being just a tad bit, little bit darker than I typically have, we have some storms rolling in, and it fluctuated my video, and I also had an update on my phone, and so now I have to play around with the settings again to get it to look like completely right like I normally do. So I just wanted to give you like a full disclaimer. I'm sorry about how like darkish the color looks, but essentially the still shots are very gorgeous at the end. You can definitely figure, kind of see what I was going through. So this is all you see me have. I had to do some embellishments with my layout from one of the papers in the center. So all I had left was two pieces of paper that were 12 by 12. So the background is one, and then the twiggy one that I cut out, I used the center of that and cut all those embellishments that you'll see me use. I don't have any paper left except for doing this one background, which it works out perfectly anyway, because by the time you see me get through, because it took me a hot minute to try to figure out how I was going to use the scraps left over, and because I had nothing left. Like, I've never gotten to this point in a collection of any sorts for a very long time, so I was like ecstatic. So when I did this layout, I'm doing the voiceover later on, but when I did this video in June, so that I could try to use the same collection throughout the month of June, so that you could see that, hey, look, you can use a collection and you don't have to go buy the new things, even though all of us love the new stuff, because I'm very guilty for that. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and just get this done. And this is the very last video. Now, you will see my husband's feeding the monkeys come up here shortly too for Scrap the Boys. That layout will be up here shortly as well. So here I am. Like I said, I am using up all of the pieces that are left over. I have some oddball stuff left from this collection, but it all works. So here I am. I'm getting this ready. I do really love how this turns out. Now, I know in the comments, and I know I'm going to get it, this is so busy. Well, yes, it is. But it fits how I scrapbook. I love how this turns out. It is just, it fits my style of scrapbooking to the T, and that is the reason why we do our own scrapbooks, and we give inspiration out on how we do things. Does not mean that the next person behind me or the person that's watching this is going to do it exactly like I do. I just love to give inspiration. Now, I will have all of the information for Virginia and her cut file shop and her Facebook group and all of that stuff linked down below. I will also have my Close to My Heart products linked down below as well. The new catalog came out while this collection is no longer available because it did sell out quickly. I have tons of other collections that are available, and the new ones have come out. You will start to see me use the new collections. Like I said, I am trying to finish up the collections that I have. And see, as you can tell, like when I filmed this, we were going through some storms, so the lighting would go in and out. And then on top of it, my phone decided, let's have an update. And when I thought I was doing it right, apparently I wasn't. So I did get it worked out after I got all of this figured out and realized that, hey, my videos don't look the way they should be. So I am placing all of these little bits and bobs left that I do have all over the place just to get the collections. I am not following anything. This just came to me. I'm like, you know, I like the fact that at first I was going to put the two sprigs together to make them look thicker and fuller, and then they happen to be kind of set off like this as a Venn diagram on my screen, and I was like, or on my desk, and I was like, yep, this is the way I want it. This is gonna work. You'll see me struggle with these just a little bit. I wanted to use these up because I think that they're gorgeous and it works perfect for that corner piece. Just to be left with just a little bit something else left to go. And then obviously that'll be it. I will go around and do my black sketches or my black little writing around it. Make sure that you go check out everybody. I will have still shots at the end that are a lot brighter. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. On the 10th of July, I do have something coming out that is been in the making for a while. I just absolutely love how it's turned out, and I think that you guys will enjoy it as well. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.